wanted to show you how to replace a PDF here. And so what I've done is I've uploaded, first of all, I'm looking at the WordPress media library, and you find that by clicking media in the dashboard here. You can actually filter this by PDFs if you want to limit it. Documents would do that. You can filter by date. You could also search, and so like let's say I search for test, it'll pull up that PDF. For now I'm just going to delete that so you see all the media here. But we're going to replace this test PDF with one called test PDF updated. And you'll see them here. This is the one that's currently on the site. Just it says this is a test PDF document. This one's the exact same, except I added some red text that says this PDF has been updated, and it has a title that's slightly different, like a file name. So all we're going to do is go to the media library, select the PDF we want to replace, and over down here it says replace media. So we're going to upload new file and click here to upload. I'm going to do test PDF updated, and then we have some options here. We're going to say replace the file. We're going to say just replace the file. Well, it's kind of up to you. If you want to change the name of the PDF, then you'll want to do this item. But if you want to just replace the file, then just do that. Usually I do just replace file, but then the other thing, this will delete the old file. So if you needed to keep that old file, then we'll have to do an alternate way to do this. But usually I just say keep the current date, but you can also replace the date. And that's just like the upload date of the PDF. Let's replace it in this case because we probably want to, you know, it's helpful information perhaps down the road. So we'll replace the current date with that. And why not? We'll do this, and then we'll replace the newly updated. Yeah, so we're just going to check these options. Again, you can choose which options you want, but we're just going to click upload. And what that'll do is that'll replace it. There it goes. So we're going to go back to the media library now. And the new PDF, see how it now says test PDF updated. The old one was deleted. And when we look at this, let's just copy to the clipboard, paste here, look at it, and you'll see it's this one. So that's how you do it.